Hey, I'm Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to lip revival.
For your smoothest, softest lips ever, Lip Revival is an advanced treatment to repair and soothe dry, stressed lips and restore their natural bounce. Powered by lip-loving ingredients, including a mild AHA and BHA exfoliating complex to smooth texture and fine lines, a boost of antioxidant vitamin C to shield against aging environmental stressors, plus a restorative oil blend to help cushion and nourish lips. It saturates and seals lips with deep hydration. Apply to your lips as needed. During the day, try wearing it solo for a high shine finish, or use a very small amount to prime and nourish lips before applying your favorite lip color. Add it as a final step in your evening skincare routine for an overnight lip restoring treatment.
This really is the ultimate lip TLC treatment. It's nourishing and hydrating. My lips have never felt so smooth. And it's a game changer for applying lip color on top. No more flakiness or chapped lips, just smooth, soft, hydrated lips.